Welcome, Cougars! Today we're going to be making a paper circuit telegraph. Here we go. The supplies that we're going to need. We're going to need some copper tape, various sizes, one large, one medium, an LED light, a button cell batteries, some more copper tape. You should have 5 pieces in total. And last but not least, paper copy. All right, let's go ahead and set these supplies aside. We're going to start off with our paper. We are going to go ahead and fold that paper across the line there, like so. And once we're done, we are going to be matching up that little hole there to the circuit inside. We're going to start by cutting that circle out. Go ahead and do that. Okay, once we've cut out that circle, it should match the position for your LED light inside. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Now we are going to go ahead and place down our copper tape. This is our circuit. This is what's going to conduct all of the electricity and connect it to the LED light from the battery. So we're going to start by folding the edges and then folding the corners. Please be very careful not to rip it, so that way you don't have to start all over. All right, once we're done folding it, we're going to go ahead and tape it down. And I feel like when I was taping it down, I had to cut off pieces of the paper off to make it a little bit easier for me along the way. So that might be a little trick for you. Go ahead and tape that copper tape down onto the circuit path. Alright, and we're going to repeat the same steps for the next circuit path, the smaller one. Go ahead and do that. Start by folding those edges, those corners, and then take off the paper to tape it down onto the circuit path. All right. Once we're done taping it down, we're next going to get our LED light, and we're going to fold it so that way it lays nice and flat. The negative should be at the bottom, positive should be at the top. And we're going to go ahead and place the copper tape on top of the anode and cathode. That's the little metal pieces that we just bent. Okay, now that it's nice and snug on top, let's go ahead and move on to the battery. Last step, we're going to go ahead and make sure it fits there snugly. We're going to get this copper tape. We're going to roll it onto itself to make like a double-sided tape, and we're going to place it on the negative side. So make sure that the plus sign is facing up. Go ahead and place that exactly where the circle is marked. And now we have completed our paper circuit. Let's go ahead and make sure that the LED light goes through the hole. And congratulations, you have just completed your paper circuit. We're going to practice our Morse code now. Good luck!